Hey guys! In this video we will be taking a look at top 5 best sewing machines of 2022. We made this list based on our personal opinion, research, and the hours of research. We sort this list according to its price and features. We have included options for every type of user. If you are searching for budget best sewing machine, then we list the product for you. If you want to buy one of these products or want to check updated price of any product, you can check the links in the description. So let's get started with the video. The 5th product in our list is Brother GX37 Sewing Machine. The Brother GX37 keeps things simple with mechanical dials controlling everything from stitch selection to length and width. This is the best sewing machine for beginners. It gives a simple way to build skills with reliable performance and enough stitches for beginners to expand their abilities as they learn and master the art of sewing. Beginners will also appreciate that it comes with an instructional DVD to walk them through those first few steps like threading, winding the bobbin, and how to adjust tension. Threading instructions are built into the front of the machine with easy-to-see and understand numbers and arrows. Beginners won't get overwhelmed with the 37 stitch choices and 6 included presser feet. This model is also lightweight with a small footprint, so financially and storage-wise, it's not a huge commitment if you find out sewing isn't for you. Where the GX37 could potentially disappoint is durability. It does not have an all-metal interior frame. The use of less durable materials keeps it lightweight, but there are parts that may break more easily. The 4th product in our list is Singer MX60 Sewing Machine. The Singer MX60 saves dollars on extra stitches and features, but provides excellent durability and only the most used 6 stitches. This Singer sewing machine has the durability of much more expensive models, but keeps things simple with an automatic stitch length and width, making it an excellent budget-friendly choice. It even has a 4-step automatic buttonhole stitch and a buttonhole foot as one of the 3 included presser feet. With a full metal interior frame, this is a machine made to last, yet its compact size remains lightweight and portable. It's the kind of machine you can take to a friend's house or a sewing class. It does come with a feature that's both a pro and a con. It automatically adjusts the stitch length and width, which is to say you can't change them. That's one less step for you to worry about, but there are times when you'll miss that feature. For example, sewing thick fabrics often works better with some extra stitch length. A zigzag stitch may need to be narrower or wider for different fabrics too. So for beginners, it's one less thing to worry about, but you might miss it when you get more experience. The 3rd product in our list is Singer 4423 Heavy Duty Sewing Machine. This heavy-duty Singer sewing machine tackles a wide range of fabrics from chiffon and silk to leather and denim. Not every sewing machine can handle leather, canvas, and other heavy fabrics, but this Singer takes them on and sews through them like butter. It's the latter two that go along with the Singer's heavy-duty build. Thick fabrics can cause broken needles and other issues in less durable machines. However, this model's all-metal frame pushes right through without a pause. Thick fabrics can also pose problems with presser feet. If the foot can't lift high enough, the fabric gets stretched as it goes under the foot. This mode has an extra high presser foot to make sure those thick fabrics have enough room. It may come with fewer pressure feet than most sewing machines, only 3, but the mechanical functioning, durability, and versatility offer great options for beginning to advanced users. The last standout feature is the single-step buttonhole feature. Buttonholes can confound even experienced sewists. This model gives users a break and does it all once you set it in the right place. On the downside, this heavy machine needs regular lubrication or use. Otherwise, the metal frame can get locked up if it hasn't been used for a while. The 2nd product in our list is Singer 7258 Sewing and Quilting Machine. Singer Stylus 7258 is the best sewing machine for most people. It comes programmed with 100 different stitch patterns, including 6 different styles of buttonholes, so you have a lot to pick from, whether it's a basic straight stitch or something decorative. All the stitches are preset in the machine, but you can also alter the width and length manually on the sewing machine's LCD screen. This computerized sewing machine has integrated speed control along with a stop/start button, so you don't have to use the pedal at all if you don't want to. It can reach a maximum of 750 stitches per minute, which isn't the fastest, but it's not far off. It has a little bit of a high-pitched motor and can be on the noisy side. It might not be the quietest sewing machine, but the teal color on the front of the machine is a nice design element that makes the stylish 7258 stand out. Along with a lot of stitch patterns, this machine has a sewing light, thread cutter, instructional DVD, soft case for storage, automatic needle threader, and a whopping 9 extra sewing feet. Other sewing accessories like a seam ripper and extra bobbins are also included. That's a lot for your money, which is part of the reason why the Singer Stylus 7258 is the best sewing machine we reviewed. The number one product in our list is Brother CS6000i Sewing and Quilting Machine. With 60 built-in stitches, the CS6000i offers a wide range of stitches, but not enough that beginners will get intimidated. As the best sewing machine overall, the CS6000i brings a little bit of everything to the sewing table with a wide table, hard case, 9 presser feet, and 60 built-in stitches that easily let you expand your sewing abilities. The computer lets you switch through stitches and adjust stitch length and width with the press of a few buttons. The wide table works well for both garments or quilts. It comes with a hard case, an accessory that's not often included with sewing machines. Threading directions are built directly onto the casing to speed up the threading process. A drop-in bobbin also adds to the overall ease of use. An adjustable speed option helps out beginners. Rather than the speed being controlled by pedal pressure, you can adjust the slider to set the sewing speed. Even if you press the pedal all the way down, the sewing machine will only go as fast as the set speed. Tension adjustments, which are notoriously tricky on most machines, can be difficult with this model. It might take some practice and different presser feet to get it right. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.